This is the easiest way to add sample case or sample pack to your FL Studio. Alright, if you're a beginner, watch this video and I'm going to show you how you can introduce your sample case or sample pack. Let's do this right after the intro. The very first thing you need to do is to locate that sample case or sample pack that you want to introduce in FL Studio. So we're going to introduce this God's Eye Afrobeat drum loops. This completely free. You can download that. The link is in the description box. Alright, what you're going to do is to extract. So let's right click and head over to extract files. What you need to put in your mind is that you cannot add WinRAR or ISO file in FL Studio. Next, you have to hit on OK, and this is going to extract the file for you. As you can see, now this is the extracted folder containing the drum loops in the form of waves. Alright, so next thing you need to do is to open your FL Studio once again, then head over to options. Next, go to file settings, and over here this folder icon that you can see, as you can see, I've introduce a lot of sample case. What you have to do is to click on any of these folder icon here like this, then locate where the sample pack or sample kit is. Alright, so we're gonna select this, or you can actually open and choose a particular folder. Alright, but I want to introduce the entire folder like this, so just click on that and click on select folder, and this is gonna come here as you can see. Next, close this and go back to your browser, and now you can see it has been added here. Alright, this is super simple. Now that you know how to introduce sample case to your FL Studio, watch the next video to download free shaker loops that you can use for your Amapiano or Afrobeat. Until then, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.